Delicious masala beans. This dish is not only flavorful but also incredibly easy to make. Let's get started. To start off with, we're going to prep all of our ingredients that are going to transform your normal baked beans into delicious masala beans. We're going to start off by chopping 1 onion and then 2 green chilies. Once that's done, you can heat up a pan over medium heat and then add some oil. I'm using olive oil here, but you can use whichever oil you prefer. Once it's nice and hot, we're going to add about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, followed by 1 teaspoon of cumin. Leave those to cook so they get nice and brown, and you know that they'll be ready once they start to pop and release their wonderful aroma. This is the base for our masala beans, and this really transforms your normal baked beans. Next, add your chopped onion. Give them a mix and then leave them to saute until they turn golden and fragrant. Then you want to add your 2 chilies and leave them to cook for a few minutes. If you like this recipe and want more recipes like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for all our new videos. It's now time to add your baked beans. So add 1 tin of baked beans and then give everything a good mix. For some extra spice, add half a teaspoon of chili powder, mix that in, and leave this all to simmer for a few minutes to allow the beans to soak up all those delicious flavours. We love to have our beans for breakfast, and one of the best ways to have this is on a piece of buttered toast. They're also really good to have as part of your full English or with an omelette. How good do these look? Delicious masala beans on a perfectly buttered piece of toast. We also like to top ours off with a little bit of cheese. And for more videos like this, don't forget to check out the other videos on our channel.